Hey guys, today I will show you how to trap monsters in Monster Hunter World. First, you need a trap. The two main ones are shock traps and pitfall traps. Once you have a trap, place it on the ground and lure the monster into it. When the monster steps on the trap, it gets immobilized for a short time. Traps are mainly used for capturing monsters, but they are also very useful for holding a monster in place so you can deal heavy damage during that window. This is great for setting up big combos or team burst damage. Useful tip: there's a monster mechanic called trap resistance. If you reuse traps multiple times on the same monster during one hunt, the monster builds trap resistance, making each trap last shorter until they become almost useless. This applies to all monsters. And that's how to trap monsters in Monster Hunter World. Thank you so much for watching.